Cicadas, as they grow, they leave their shells behind. This right here is a empty cicada shell. And there's more around. Like that one. And this one too. This tree is covered in them.
You sure those are cicadas though?
And they have a spider here that maybe could have eaten one of them. You can see these cicadas have left their shell already. However, there's one right here which has not. And it is shelling up still. It's hanging on to that leaf, making no movement at all. See this one right here, looks like it got eaten up by ants before it could exit its cocoon.
There's some more over here.
These ants will jump on anything when they're hungry.